Hey all, this is a quick review of this hot water kettle. So there's the base there, kettle here. And just by the way, I want to show you what these instructions here say. If it focuses on there, it says normal for the kettle to produce lime scale. You can use some lemons and throw them in the bottom and that will help the scale. And then it says option 2, you can add about 200 milliliters of white vinegar and wait 20 to 30 minutes. Boil water, and then pour out the vinegar, wash and rinse. So the interesting thing is, in the instruction manual that comes with it, it says here, where did I read it? Descaling your kettle. The frequency of descaling depends on the hardness of the water. It says do not use vinegar, but a commercially available descaler. Strictly follow the quantities recommended in the agent's instructions. So that's kind of conflicting. Right on the kettle it says you can use vinegar, here it says you can't. Otherwise, everything looks okay. So I have this filled that says, before you use it first time, you should fill it up with water, boil it. There might be a little bit of smell or whatever. So there you go. Clicking this on, I'll let it boil. I will take this camera off here. And you can see that's what it looks like inside the unit. Okay, so I'll let the water boil and I will check the gauge. So as noted, where is it? On this side, you have a temperature gauge. So I will take the temperature reading to make sure that it's actually reflecting the right temperature on the gauge too. Okay, so we'll get back to you in a sec. So right now the kettle down here by the meter, it's saying it's around 90 degrees Celsius. So I'm gonna take the lid off here and